Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to multiply by zero. So, when the rule for multiplying by zero is, when a number is multiplied by zero, the answer is always zero. And it's a little bit tricky to understand at first, but a good example of this is, let's say I have 4 groups of 0 chocolate eggs. That means I have 0 chocolate eggs altogether, because there's 4 groups, but no chocolate eggs in each group, and that just means I have a total of 0 eggs. So the equation that represents this is 4 times 0 equals 0, or 4 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 4 times 0 equals 0. And the rule again is just when you multiply by 0, the answer is always going to be 0. Now, to explain this a little bit better, I've drawn up 3 boxes, and then there's 4 cupcakes in each box. So, how many cupcakes do I have altogether? And the equation that represents this is 3 times 4. What does 3 times 4 equal? Well, we have 4 in this box, and we have 4 in this box, and another 4 in this box. So we can count them up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another way of doing it is 4, 8, 12. That's right, we have 12 cupcakes altogether. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Or 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Now, some mysterious man has just eaten 1 cupcake from each box. So now we have 3 boxes of cupcakes, and there's 3 cupcakes in each box. So how many cupcakes do we have altogether now? And the equation is 3 times 3 equals what? So, as I said before, you can count these out, but it's much better if you do use multiplication. So 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 3, that's right, equals 9. So we have 9 cupcakes altogether, and 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Now, some annoying person has just eaten 1 cupcake from each of these 3 boxes, so now we have 3 boxes of cupcakes, but there's only 2 cupcakes in each box. So how many cupcakes do we have altogether now? That's right, 3 times by 2. So we got 2, 4, 6. And I have 6 cupcakes altogether, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Alright, we're running out of cupcakes here, so so now I have 3 boxes of cupcakes, and there's only 1 cupcake left in each box. So how many cupcakes do we have altogether now? And that is 3 times by 1 equals what? Now, when you're multiplying by 1, it's pretty much the easiest rule to follow. So 3 times by 1 equals 3. It's pretty standard. If it was 5 times by 1, it'd be 5. So I have 3 cupcakes altogether, and 3 times by 1 equals 3. So 1, 2, 3. Ah, man. Now, some random wrestling person has just eaten the last of the cupcakes. So now I have 3 boxes of cupcakes, and there aren't any cupcakes left in my boxes. So how many cupcakes do I have altogether now? And this is where multiplying by 0 comes in. So 3 times by 0 equals what? And you can also count this out as well. So how many cupcakes do I have in each box? I don't have any cupcakes in my boxes anymore. So the rule when multiplying by 0 is when you multiply by 0, the answer is always going to be 0. And as you can see here, we don't have any cupcakes left. So since I have no more cupcakes, which is very unfortunate, 3 multiplied by 0 equals 0. Now, don't you just hate it when there are no cupcakes left? And Ray has just eaten the last cupcake. Anyway, thanks for your time today, guys. Have an awesome day.